ASUS's ROG Zephyrus G14 series has long been celebrated for combining powerful gaming performance with portability, making it a favorite among gamers and professionals alike. The 2025 iteration of the G14 continues this tradition, now featuring the new NVIDIA RTX 5080 GPU, elevating it into an elite category of compact yet mighty gaming laptops. Despite the immense power packed inside, the G14 2025 remains remarkably slim and lightweight, appealing to users who want a serious gaming rig without the bulk of traditional gaming laptops. The higher price tag compared to previous models is justified by the significant performance leaps and feature upgrades. For anyone seeking a portable gaming or content creation device that delivers top-tier specs, this model is a compelling choice. Visually, the G14 2025 retains much of the aesthetic from its predecessor, with an all-aluminum CNC machined chassis that feels sturdy and premium. Available in Eclipse Gray and Platinum White, the laptop has a refined anodized finish that resists fingerprints and scratches well. The hinge design has been improved for better stability. It holds the screen firmly in place without wobbling during normal use, a subtle but welcome change. Though the maximum opening angle is unchanged, this sturdiness gives a more secure feel when typing or gaming. The chassis is slightly thicker than the 2024 version by about 2 mm, mainly due to a raised bottom bezel with extended rubber feet. This not only prevents scratches but also improves airflow and cooling. The weight edges up to 1.57 kilograms, which is still impressively light for a laptop with these specifications. The G14 offers a comprehensive selection of ports, suited for modern workflows and gaming setups. Both USB-C ports support power delivery, allowing for charging from either side at up to 100 watts. A practical feature that reduces cable clutter for on-the-go users. Interestingly, the two USB-C ports are wired differently. The right port connects to the dedicated RTX 5080 GPU, while the left connects to the integrated AMD graphics chip. This means users can choose between high-performance or energy-efficient modes, depending on their needs. The HDMI port also routes to the dedicated GPU, ensuring high-quality output for external displays. This arrangement offers flexibility. For example, connecting a secondary monitor to the left USB-C port allows the laptop to run on integrated graphics, conserving battery and lowering heat, which is ideal for light tasks. When higher graphics performance is needed, switching to the right USB-C or HDMI ports activates the discrete GPU. The keyboard is an incremental improvement over last year's model. Keys are slightly larger, offering better typing comfort with well-tuned travel and responsive feedback. The layout remains user-friendly for both gaming and productivity. The signature/lighting LED remains on the laptop's rear edge, providing a distinctive visual accent. It acts as a subtle notification indicator and can be customized via the Armoury Crate app, allowing users to adjust colors and patterns to suit their preferences. Notably, ASUS has removed the Anime Matrix LED display from the lid, which was a standout feature on the 2023 G14. While this may disappoint fans of that unique lighting customization, the streamlined design feels more professional and less flashy. The display is a highlight of the G14 2025, featuring a 14-inch Nebula OLED panel with a 3K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It supports NVIDIA G-Sync technology, ensuring smooth, tear-free visuals during fast-paced gaming. OLED technology delivers exceptional contrast, true blacks, and vibrant colors, transforming gaming, streaming, and creative work with rich, immersive visuals. The high refresh rate makes motion fluid and responsive, important for competitive gaming. The laptop's audio system includes 6 speakers equipped with Dolby Atmos, offering layered sound with deep bass and clear mids and highs. Though fan noise can increase under load, the audio remains robust and immersive. For quieter environments, volume adjustments are necessary to maintain audio clarity over fan noise. The webcam and microphone are upgraded with AMD Ryzen AI technology, enabling smart video features such as automatic framing, background blurring, and eye contact correction. These enhancements improve video calls, streaming, and content creation quality. Performance improvements are where the 2025 G14 truly stands out. Previous versions struggled with thermal constraints that limited GPU performance. Under sustained loads, ASUS addressed this by redesigning the cooling system: 2 high-performance fans, 4 heat pipes, and liquid metal thermal paste now keep the laptop cool more efficiently. This new thermal solution allows the RTX 5080 GPU to run at 120 watts in manual mode. A notable achievement for such a thin and light laptop. While not matching desktop-class power, this wattage delivers exceptional gaming and creative workload performance without thermal throttling. Paired with 16 GB of VRAM and the new AMD Ryzen 9 HX 370 CPU, the laptop easily handles demanding AAA games, intensive 3D rendering, video editing, and AI workloads. Benchmarks show a 30 to 40% improvement over the 2024 G14. With some tests like Time Spy Extreme demonstrating nearly an 80% jump in graphics processing power. The increased multi-thread performance means smooth multitasking, running dozens of browser tabs, Photoshop, streaming, and gaming simultaneously without lag or stutter. Gaming on the G14 2025 is an impressive experience. NVIDIA's multi-frame generation technology keeps frame rates high and consistent, even in graphically demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077. With ray tracing enabled, minor visual glitches like slight flickering or ghosting occasionally appear, but are a reasonable trade-off for smooth gameplay and visual fidelity. Battery life depends heavily on use. In daily light tasks such as web browsing and media playback, the laptop lasts around 6 to 7 hours on a single charge. Excellent for a powerful gaming machine. Under gaming conditions, battery life drops to just over an hour. Typical for a high-performance laptop. Notably, the laptop maintains smooth gaming performance even on battery power, avoiding the stutters common on other machines. Tweaking graphical settings helps extend playtime, while keeping performance stable. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 2025 is a remarkable leap forward for compact gaming laptops. By integrating the latest RTX 50 series GPU, an OLED 3K display, and improved cooling, ASUS delivers a machine that offers desktop-level power without sacrificing portability. Though the price is premium, the performance, design, and features justify the investment for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need a high-powered laptop that travels well. If you seek a portable powerhouse for both intense gaming and demanding professional work, the Zephyrus G14 2025 remains one of the best options in the market. Its combination of performance, design, and versatility makes it a standout choice for 2025 and beyond.